a pinky purple kind of spotlight eye in relation to the kind of grey one that I've just done recently. Someone said that they have got a purple prom dress, but it's kind of like a chiffon-y purple, so they wanted to do like a kind of spotlight eye, but they don't know where to start. So here's a pinky purple spotlight eye look, and I'm going to show you the products that I'm going to use. First product that I'm going to use is a Peel Away's base. You can get this absolutely anywhere. If you don't own this though, you can just go in with any concealer. Honestly, any concealer will do. We're just going to put down that Peel Away's base and make sure that is all over the eyelid and it's nicely blended out. The palette that I'm going to go in with today is the Gothic palette from Cosmic Brushes or Cosmic Beauty. I don't know if they've changed it to Cosmic Beauty or whatever, but this is a 12 colour pan palette and it just looks like this. I think we'll go in with the shade Alter, which is this one down here. I'm just taking a Peaches PC38 brush. I'm going to start in the outer corner and the inner corner. Gradually building it in. I'm going to take the shade Supreme, which is this one here. And it doesn't matter how nice or how messy you do it, because you're just going to blend all these shades together anyway and create like a really nice kind of spotlight eye. Take the shade Supreme again, and we're just going to start doing like a kind of oval shape. Just round the eyes. Just to blend all that out. I always tend to do eyes first just in case there is any kind of fallout or anything. But if you want to do your base first before your eyes, then you do you. So we have these kind of base colours down, so I'm just going to go in with the shade Alter again. And we're just going to start building up that colour. Take a Jessup's 220, I think it is. I'm going to go in with the shade Tomorrow, which is a light purpley pink shade. And I'm just going to take that in the outer. And we're just going to blend that in. I'm just doing small circular motions as well with my brush. That just helps with leaving any kind of harsh lines or anything. We're just going back and forth with the previous colours, so Alter, which is our darker purple colour, and Supreme. Then we just go back and forth with that Tomorrow colour and blend out the edges. This palette's actually got a really nice iridescent colour, which is called Obscure, and it just looks like that. And it is quite, wait a minute, I'll actually show you guys. Somehow it's showing more kind of metallic on here, but it does have like a purple shift. I'm going to take this shade here because it's the lightest shade in the palette. I'm going to take that shade and then we're going to put a little bit of this iridescent shimmer down the centre. We'll go with the kind of pinky purple theme. A little touch of Gothic. It's got a bit of a sparkle in it, but it's like a kind of really, really dark vampy purple. Obscure. And we're going to put that down the centre like that. That's that kind of iridescent purple. Just come back and forth, blending out all the edges and stuff. Go away, throw a lash on, do this eye, and then I'll come back. I've just quickly threw on a base and completed this eye. So now I'm just going to finish the eye look for you guys, and we're going to go in with a little bit of mascara. I'm just going to pop on a lash. Next to me are the Paris lashes by Lily White Cosmetics. This is the lash that I wore the other day. So I'm just pulling it back out. So that is a little bit dramatic, but let's go with it. Revolution Pout Bomb and Candy. Love this lip gloss. I'm going to do a little bit of a blush. Taking my Lily White Cosmetics blush in Peachy Dreams. And I think that's about it. Obviously this lip isn't for everybody, so you can obviously change it up. But this is the final eye look. I hope you guys like. Something quite dramatic, fun, but vampy, full out there, still a little bit of glitter to make it a little bit sparkly. So yeah, hope you guys like.